Another day, another story. Self-driving cars and drones are rapidly becoming a reality, with companies around the world working to develop and improve upon the technology. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the latest advancements in autonomous vehicles and drones, and explore what the future may hold for these revolutionary technologies. Autonomous cars, the race is on. One of the most popular subjects in the IT world right now is autonomous vehicles. Business Insider estimates that by 2026, the worldwide market for driverless vehicles would be worth $556 billion. Major companies in the sector, like Google, Tesla, and Uber, are making significant investments in the creation of self-driving technology. The creation of Lidar technology is one of the most important developments in the area. Light detection and ranging, or Lidar, employs laser beams to scan the world around an automobile to produce a complete 3D map of its surroundings. As it enables the automobile to recognize and steer clear of impediments in its path, this technology is seen as crucial for the safe functioning of autonomous vehicles. Companies are attempting to enhance the artificial intelligence, AI, systems that drive autonomous cars in addition to developing Lidar technology. These systems can make judgments with greater precision thanks to machine learning and neural networks, enabling automobiles to negotiate challenging settings and react to unforeseen circumstances. Drones, taking flight. Unmanned aerial vehicles, usually known as drones, are developing quickly. A survey by Research and Markets projects that by 2023, the worldwide drone market would be worth $43 billion. The commercial usage of drones is a significant area of development. Drone applications in the construction and agricultural sectors are also being investigated, along with the usage of drones for package delivery by businesses like Amazon and Google. The development of autonomous drones is another area of progress. These drones can fly autonomously, opening up a variety of applications such as search and rescue missions and extensive field mapping. The future of autonomous vehicles and drones. Drones and driverless cars have the potential to completely change the way we live and work as technology advances. Drones have the potential to make a variety of industries more efficient and cost-effective, while autonomous cars have the ability to significantly reduce the number of traffic accidents. Concerns exist, nevertheless, over how these technologies will affect society. There are concerns about how autonomous vehicles and drones will impact employment and the economy as their use spreads. There are also worries about how having a lot of autonomous vehicles and drones in use will affect privacy and security. The future of drones and driverless vehicles is promising despite these worries. We may anticipate seeing an increasing number of these cutting-edge devices on our roads and in the sky as technology develops, improving the way we live and work. We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.